Good evening, guys. I have a quick presentation on some of the free and popular websites where you can learn how to code. Some of these websites have for $0 you can learn basic concepts, and some of them are lot you can learn lot more. So I believe everyone can learn everything with internet available to everyone. So I would encourage everyone to read. Let's say you're a developer, um, go learn poetry or go learn literature or history, or if you are a doctor, learn to code or do something very different from what you are normally expected to do. And I think it's very refreshing for brain to learn something new. And because we are in a technical world, we cannot escape technical skills. And I would show you some of the free website. This would definitely not make you a developer or enable you to code, but it'll give you some understanding into the coding and how it is done, and you will be able to understand few terminologies. You won't be you won't be left out. That's what I mean. So yeah, guys, here's some of the list. This few more I can include. So some of them are paid. I haven't worked on Codecademy. I did have a look at FreeCodeCamp, and this is mainly for Java and other programming languages. I haven't worked on this either. This is for once you learn to code, you can participate in some kind of challenges, coding challenges. And there's another website for challenges as well. It's called HackerRank. You can participate in some of the competitions. And this one is what I have actually worked on. This is very beginner friendly compared to the others, but I suggest you can start from here. I will take you through W3 schools. Just Google out W3 schools, get into that, and you can start from here, guys. Go to the tutorial. It depends if you want to create a website, start from here. I'm more interested into creating a website, or I like the server side, like learning SQLs. So you have tutorials for each one of them, and they have a way to you can try it for yourself, try writing the code for yourself, and then you can type the code and you can run the SQL, and it will show you how the results are fetched from the server. So when you are when you are using any application, there is a server side and a client side. Server side is where the application is actually stored by the developers and other people. And for example, client side could be your web browser page where you are actually using. So that could be the client side, and then you have the server side, and then you have languages for server side, and you have languages for client side. So this one, like Java, I think is a client side language. Please, technical people, you can correct me. And SQLs, what we see here, are like a server side language. So you can use W3 schools, play like a video game and do learn some languages. Yeah, and you can actually download Python freely. It is freely. You can download it on your computer and start practicing on Python if that's what you want to learn, because everyone's learning that as a starting point. I think when I was pretty young, I learned C and C++, but yeah, this is what I would be Like I did learn a little bit of SQLs because I worked on it a little bit when I was in some IT job. But yeah, I would look at SQLs and website building, and let me know, guys, if you have any such ideas. Please drop in my comment. Thank you for your time. Have a good night.